Sit. Lady. Ready? Good catch. Good girl. Got it. Like that.
Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I shared a little bit of our evening last night with you already, but now I am just getting orders ready so that I can print the shipping labels, and then I also Alright, so everything is put together. I just need to print the shipping labels. As you can tell, this sticker is one of my best sellers. This ornament for day 2 sold, as well as this little bee painting. This one's still available, and I need to paint. I'm behind by 2. But this watercolor rose sticker, this one's also really popular. And these ones have started to sell more lately. If you haven't seen all the stickers available in the shop, here they are. These 2 here both have clear backgrounds. The rest all have white backgrounds besides the holographic one. Christmas cactus update. Look how pretty that is. This is such a fun plant. And I'm ready for this one to open up. When it first, I had another one I want to say here. When it first opened up, I never got a photo of it and it fell off really quick. So I'm excited to see the pink one do well. These roses are really great. My variegated peace lily. I think this is one of my favorite plants. My Easter cactus just has never been doing well either. today's video here. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 4. I have a lot of painting to do. It's about 3 o'clock, but I want to get this footage uploaded so I can get it edited and posted. And then I will film the rest of the evening, and hopefully that'll put me a day ahead starting Monday. Instead of filming, trying to edit and post all the same day, it'll give me a little bit of wiggle room, and then hopefully the videos will be a little longer as well. So thank you again for watching. I got most of the orders dropped off. There's a address issue with one of them, and I'm waiting on varnish to dry on another one. So those should be going out tomorrow. Well, they're all gonna go out tomorrow, but I'll drop it off tomorrow. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.